This evening, we conclude our look at the Hanover Football Association and the things that are holding back the parish from making progress. Some have even hinted at changes to the executive. More in this report.
It's calm seas in Hanover, but the same cannot be said about football that is having a rough ride. A change of fortune is required as clubs in the parish cry for help. Some even want a new leader and calls for changes to the Sheridan Samuels-led executive. Demar Mackenzie of Green Island FC says he's puzzled by the election results that has kept Samuels in office.
The cry from the various clubs is the same, and there is no way that you can be against something and voting for it. That makes no sense.
However, Dave Cunningham of Hopewell Chargers warns against the parish wanting a new leader. But Hanover FA Vice President Craig Oates says some clubs will be divided on change as there is a line they will not cross.
A lot of the clubs are supported by persons who are involved in the political arena. And the biblical card, there is a ban. So persons do not want to come out and speak out. And persons would prefer a crumbs of bread rather than go for a loaf of bread, because they probably think that a crumbs of bread is enough.
The Green Island Football Club is also puzzled as to why they are yet to receive their prize money for winning Division 1 in 2018.
We're going on our pocket, taking our money, and entering the league. And when the league finish, whosoever win only get a trophy, value $3,000.
But Cunningham says Samuels is not to be blamed for prize monies.
If me say me I go sponsor the Hanover FA $2 million for run the program for that season there. And if at the end of the day me only give them 500,000. All the clubs them all receive their winning prize. So you can't blame anybody have good knowledge who know say the FA who are the cause of the problem. So if a club win a competition and not get their prize money, it must have to be the sponsorship.
But how long can clubs continue to play without compensation?
I know for sure, say, if that continue to happen, clubs will stop play because, it costs us a lot to play in the competition where refreshment, gears and all of that is concerned, and match fees and cards and all of that.
Top flight football has eluded the parish for more than 2 decades, with Legend FC the last to do so in 1996. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.